Hello and welcome to today's session. This session focuses on learning outcome 2 LO2, be able to develop legal research approaches. In this video, we will explore how work regulations impact UK businesses. You will learn practical legal research methods and discover the challenges organizations face when navigating the regulatory landscape, as well as strategies to ensure compliance and informed decision-making. The government seeks evidence on the impact of work regulations on UK businesses. This research explores whether regulations impose unnecessary constraints. A wealth of literature examines the burden regulations place on employers. Surveys quantify this burden, while qualitative data provides nuanced insights. The project aims to explore work practices through a qualitative lens. Regulations are often seen as costs or constraints. Critics overlook the growth in UK businesses despite regulatory claims. The government's focus on public debt heightens these concerns. Global indices present a mixed view of UK regulatory policy. Small firms face significant challenges due to regulatory requirements. Since 2010, policy initiatives aim to reduce regulatory burdens. The Red Tape Challenge invites public input on regulatory changes. The one-in, two-out policy balances new and existing regulations. Small and micro businesses often struggle with regulatory compliance. Proposals include changes to procedural rules and settlement agreements. This research examines employer perceptions of work regulation impacts. It explores how regulations affect recruitment, management, and dismissal. The study assesses the perception-reality gap in business regulation. Employer views on regulation information and advice are also explored. SME surveys report regulations as a minor barrier to success. The economy remains the most significant obstacle for SMEs. Fewer businesses report regulations as a barrier compared to previous years. Compliance time has increased for small businesses. Larger businesses report fewer regulatory challenges. Businesses struggle to identify applicable regulations. Micro and small businesses face unique compliance challenges. Large organizations often have dedicated HR departments. Smaller firms may lack awareness of legal obligations. External HR support can enhance internal capacity. Many businesses use external experts for regulatory guidance. Trusted sources include consultants, accountants, and government websites. Face-to-face interactions are highly valued. The cost of external advice is significant, but its value is debated. External guidance on regulatory issues remains a critical resource. Research gaps can be identified through literature review. Familiarity with existing literature reveals gaps or issues. Stakeholder needs and media coverage can highlight research areas. Research artifacts may also indicate gaps. Identifying gaps is crucial for developing research questions. All sources used in this research are authentic and permitted. The work is original and free from plagiarism. Literature reviews identify supporting theories. Theories guide the research approach. Hypotheses address problematic situations in research. A hypothesis explains phenomena and relationships. Theories consist of definitions, scope, and variable relationships. They predict or control human phenomena. Authentic claims indicate potential events. Theories are essential for describing and predicting outcomes. This study evaluates legal literature within a scholarly framework. Critical reviews identify research gaps. Effective reviews set the research context. They reveal scholarship flaws and transform findings into research questions. A structured review is vital for research success. Literature gaps are missing elements in existing research. They make manuscripts publishable. Gaps assist in forming research questions and hypotheses. They guide data analysis and interpretation. Identifying gaps is crucial for advancing research. In conclusion, a critical literature review establishes the foundation for research by contextualizing existing knowledge and highlighting gaps or limitations in the field. It enables the formulation of precise research questions and ensures that subsequent investigations address these deficiencies. By systematically organizing and analyzing the literature, the review not only guides the research process, but also fosters deeper understanding and the generation of new insights. Ultimately, well-executed literature reviews are essential for advancing scholarly inquiry and informing evidence-based research. For assistance, please contact us via WhatsApp at 0748-436-1688. A member of our team will be happy to support you. Thank you, and see you soon.